What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 1st January.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 61709832145.
What's your email address?
It's soph7895981@gmail.com.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
What line of work are you in?
I work in sales.
What company do you work for?
I work for an investment bank.
What religion are you?
I am a Muslim.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
Are you married?
Yes. I'm married.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I'm not dating anyone.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
Do you have any siblings?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Who do you live with?
I live with my husband and children.
What time do you get up?
I usually get up at 5:30 a.m.
When do you do morning exercises?
I often do morning exercises at 6 a.m.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What's your hobby?
I am interested in playing guitar.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is spaghetti.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
What kinds of films do you like?
I am really interested in horror, action film.
Did you like the movie?
It's one of the best I have ever seen.
Where do you study?
I am a student at Stanford University.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:40 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
What is your major?
My major is computer science.
Why are you studying English?
Because I love to improve my English skills.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
I would like to be a software engineer.
How did you learn English?
I picked it up from movies and songs.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English?
I can express myself and communicate in English.
How long have you learning English?
I have been learning English for 10 years.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
Which year are you in?
I'm in my 3rd year.
Do you have any exams coming up?
I've just graduated.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art.
What's the weather like?
It is hot and windy.
What's the temperature?
It's 24 degrees Celsius.
What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
What's the date today?
17th of October.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
What are you doing?
I am washing dishes.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to the zoo.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Everything will be okay.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What did you do last night?
I cooked pasta and soup.
What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow?
I can play tennis, badminton. I'm going to go play badminton at the beach.
What sports can you play?
I can play tennis, badminton.
Can you give me a hand?
I'm afraid I can't.
Could you do me a favor?
I'd be happy to help you.
Could you please give me that book?
Sure,
Would you mind opening the window?
it would be my pleasure.
How can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a sweater.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there.
Can I try it on somewhere?
The fitting room is in the left corner.
What size do you wear?
Medium should be fine.
What size do you take?
I take a size 11.
Is that a good fit?
It's a little too small.
Have you got something bigger?
Of course, we have got larger sizes as well.
How much does it cost?
It's $11.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by cash.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly. We accept all the major cards.
Do you need anything else?
No, thanks.
How are you feeling?
Really awful.
How was the party?
Boring. I could not wait to get out of there.
Are you ready to order?
We need a few more minutes.
Would you like chicken or pasta?
I will have the chicken.
What would you like to drink?
Nothing for me, thanks.
Did you save room for dessert?
Yes, please. Can I see a list?
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Can I get you anything else?
I'm ready for the bill, please.
What do you think about this event?
I really like it. What do you think?
Are you here with anybody?
I came with my best friend.
Have you got a pet?
I've got a puppy.
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
What's this?
This is a pencil.
What does she look like?
She's tall and slim with blonde hair.
How is she?
She's pretty.
What is he like?
He is very smart and brave.
Are you hungry?
Yes. I'm hungry.
How do you feel about him?
He is quite friendly and helpful.
May I open the window?
Certainly. It's very hot in the office today.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good. Thanks for asking.
What do you do every day?
I listen to music and play badminton every day.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free tomorrow.
Will you join me for coffee?
Sorry. I'm afraid I don't have time.
Could we have lunch together one day?
With pleasure.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes. That would be nice.
Where do you want to go?
I would like to go to a Japanese restaurant.
Would you like to come to the cinema with me tonight?
Sorry, I can't. I have got other plans.
Would you like to play a round of golf this weekend?
That would be great.
How about coming to the barbecue at the tennis club?
Sure. That should be fun.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
How do you get to work?
I usually drive my car.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close.
How long does it take?
It takes half an hour.
How often do you ride the bus?
Once in a while.
Could you tell me how to get to the police station?
Take the second road on the right.
Excuse me. Is there a bank near here?
Yes. There is a bank nearby.
What's the best way to the museum?
Go across the bridge. Turn right. It's on Oliver Street.
Can I speak to Emma, please?
I'm sorry, Emma's not here at the moment.
When will she be back?
She'll be back in 20 minutes.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did get your message.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask her to call me back.
How long have you been working here?
I have been working here 5 years.
What time does the meeting start?
The meeting will start at 9 a.m.
What time does the meeting finish?
The meeting will finish at 11 a.m.
Are you sick?
Yes. I'm sick.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
How long have you been feeling like this?
For 2 days.
Are you on any sort of medication?
I need a sick note.
Where's the counter, please?
I don't know. Let's go to information.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing. Just the normal allowance.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, there is this suitcase.
Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat?
Please.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm here on business.
Where are you going to be staying?
With some friends in the Sherto Hanoi Hotel.
How long are you staying in Hanoi?
About 2 weeks.
Could you tell me where Gate E is?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for coffee.
Could you tell me where the meat is?
If you go to the frozen food section, you'll find the meat there.
How much would you like?
I would like 200 grams of meat, please.
Can you offer me any discount?
I can't offer you that discount.
Do you need any help packing?
I can manage myself, thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
That would be great.
What times are you open?
We are open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., 7 days a week.
What time do you open?
We open at 9 a.m.
What time do you close?
We close at 6 p.m.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
What kind of room would you like?
I would like a single room, please.
May I see your ID, please?
Certainly. Here it is.
Could I see the room?
Your room number is 401.
Do you have a credit card, sir?
Of course.
How long will you be staying?
I'm here until the end of the week.
Do you have any rooms available for the 14th of April?
I'm sorry, we don't have any rooms available.
How many places have you traveled to?
Well, I have visited all the provinces throughout my country.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to Japan last year for a business trip.